is wrong with you? Don't you ever in your miserable life block my way again. What is it? Why are you blocking my way? Is there something wrong with you?
You and I know you didn't win the competition. You bribed the judges so they can announce you the winner. My question is, why?
You should be the one to answer why you can't accept defeat. Lower your pride and accept defeat. You and I know I am the best dancer here. 10,000 of you, I will still win. I am born for this. Okay? So accept defeat, leave my way right now. I don't have time to argue this. I do not have that time.
And if I don't, what will you do?
You're beginning to dare me. I applaud your efforts, but please do not dare me. If you try me, this Amarachi that you're trying to invoke, I bet you've never experienced her. And if you do, you won't like it. Leave my way at once.
Whoa! I'm shaking, I'm shivering. Babe, have you seen this Amara before?
No, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Are you scared, right? You're scared. Okay. Sweetheart, I'm no coward. So I would like to experience, I want to see this Amara. This side of Amara. Wait for me.
Make sure you take your car out of my way and don't you ever try this again, because if you do, Chukunoye, if you do, stop! What kind of joke is this?
I came prepared. I don't walk around without my toy.
Stop.
You shut up! I do the talking here and you listen. Now, if you want to stay alive, you go back to the judges and tell them that you're no longer interested in the competition.
Over my dead body, will I do that?
So be it then.
Festival for our village, if you perform well, you go win the prize, yo. Festival for our village, yes, your man, they come back. Festival for our village, yes, your man, they dance, yo. Under the banner, was a book start, yo. Under the banner, they make a laugh again.
Blind bat that blocked my way with her stupid car. Is it like she's foolish or stupid or senseless? Or she doesn't know how to drive?
I'm so sorry. Please, I parked my car when I was rushing. And then I parked it.
You should be sorry for your stupid self. Are you crazy? Are you insane? You knew you parked the car wrongly and you still left it to come upstairs. You're not normal. You're not normal.
Hello,
you are not normal.
Hello, what is it?
Oh.
Chukunoye, so it's you.
No, it's your mother.
Why are you shouting like someone who just escaped from the psychiatric hospital? What is your problem?
Amara, you're the one that is mad. Because they told me that it was a lady that parked like that. So you don't know how to drive. You know Sabi drive, the enter road. Why did you park like that?
So this is your problematic character. You have carried it from the village all the way to the city. Are you not ashamed of yourself? We are no longer kids now. Can't you respect yourself for once?
Listen.
Look at the way you're speaking to a grown man.
Who is the grown man? This boy? This toy boy? Listen, I don't have time. I don't have time for this rubbish. Tell your toy boy to go remove that jalopy from my way so I can go to where I'm going to.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare call my boyfriend's car jalopy. Don't try it.
If I do, what will you do? What will happen?
Baby.
I don't want you to dare me.
It's okay.
I sincerely do not want you. You want to ruin my happy moment because you're lonely.
Babe.
I won't let you do that.
Hey, toy boy, sugar boy, whatever you are called, go remove your jalopy. This minute, I don't have time for this.
Baby, come. How is this clothes? The previous
me,
shirt I wore and this one, which one do you prefer? You don't know how to do. Look at
Madam, I'm so sorry. Please.
Don't just be sorry! You can't just be sorry! Take this toy boy! Take him out!
Hey, young lady, watch your mouth!
Don't call me names. Don't talk to me.
Madam, please.
Don't talk to me.
Please, just calm down.
Dogs are meant for
Don't tell me to calm down. Do something.
Please.
Let him go remove the car.
Just remove your phone.
My boyfriend,
Just
baby,
calm
hold
down,
on, you're
please.
sweating. You will go, I love you. Say something.
Bro.
Excuse me, we need a moment. Honey,
Ogini na-esere mpobi na mobi ego
Ego, A1, Akudo, Havana. Did I call you?
God, yeah, make China.
That is it. Nelo, let's go in again. Run for your life. Darkness and light have nothing in common.
Yeah, you like trouble. Your first name is Nsobo. I knew it. The moment I just turned and my eyes saw somebody throwing granite up, I knew the only person that can do that rubbish is you. So, in a broad daylight, in this village where everybody is looking at you, you're throwing granite up and down.
Who cares? This is my father's land
in
my village. So one natural man, Chimangabe, Makima, Mayamogo, they ought to go.
Give me granite.
As you give me again. Come on here. Let me go. Pitch granite.
Akudo, let me ask
Stop
you.
that snow.
The dancing competition is fast approaching.
Yes.
Everybody is gingering up for the occasion. Have you learnt the dance you will teach us?
Ha! Before Uncle.
Huh?
I've been learning the dance since now.
You?
Ha! Our group will win this competition whether the devil like it or not.
Okay. With this hand. Please, Akudo. Where were you when you were learning how to dance? The one that you will teach us? Because yeah, your leg is not looking like somebody that has been learning how to dance. Yes.
I dance every day. I dance morning, afternoon, and night. In fact, I dance in my dream.
Upe! You dance nada. You are dancing nothing.
Dancing is my second name. In fact, I eat and dance, I sleep and dance, I wake and dance.
Oh my God. Now, I'm following you to your house. Let me go and see the new dance step that you have learned so that you will teach me.
I know, one worry, tomorrow you come.
Wait, also Bugaba.
Eh?
Also Keba.
I said later you come now so that
Which one is later? You said you've been learning in your dreams.
I thought you were going to
I'm not going anywhere again. I'm coming back.
I come now.
Wonderful. Let's go so I will see the afo. But meanwhile, give me granite.
Come on here.
Give me granite.
Leave me alone. Give me granite. So I'll now go.
Are you sure it's not from your father's shrine that you collected this granite?
Look at you. Join our couple.
Hey! Hello? What is this? Who is this person? Huh? Who are you? You are not black in complexion, not yellow. Abino! Who is this Abino? Hey! Atama! Atama! So you have the guts to spoil my charm. The charm that I prepared for Amara, for her to be crippled. You spoiled it. I am going to teach you a lesson that you will not forget. So, somebody will have the power to spoil my charm. The charm that I prepared for someone. Atama, I am going to show you the secret way. I don't want to know where you are coming from or whom you are. Obasarom, you have touched the tail of a tiger. I am going to show you who I am. I am going to let you know that I am the fearless lion of this land. Yeah. Okay, di. Ose. Nekwa abino kameli ane popo. Oya abro kwa madu. Ordinary abino. A healer. Not even a native doctor. You come out to challenge Yashi. You are not afraid of me. Agama bagi henji burebini. Agama erigi kanu. Agama fiatari kudene. Agama ejigi batari antikana 1 2 then makantikana ekwide ni do other one na dalo alam choko. Muwa kana wankume nkume okago maro makana ekwibu ni ibu kana ebu amara na bidu na bidu na do budo ku abamia mo idu.
So who was that girl you were staring at the supermarket?
Her name is Amara. She's from my village.
Oh. So why were you staring at her?
She was the one that won the last dancing competition in my village. And since then, she sees herself as the goddess whenever she returns to the village.
So what is so special about this dancing competition?
It's a great festival.
Oh, okay.
And any girl and her group that emerges the winner commands all the respect, all the honor. I mean, you won't understand because she's honored, she's respected, not just in our village, but the neighboring villages, the communities, in fact, the entire kingdom. So it's a great honor to be the winner.
Oh, I see. No wonder you adore this festival a lot.
You can say that again.
Yeah. So get yourself prepared and win this competition.
That's the spirit, my friend.
I know you win.
Yes, I have to win.
Must.
I have to win. Amara
must.
cannot win again. The first one was a mistake. I have to win this time.
Exactly. I trust you.
Iyo koko, iyo koko, iyo koko. Iyo koko, iyo koko, iyo koko. Kaiga na ke bishop na 5 akola. Kaiga na ke bishop na 5 akola. Iye newe niwe bumete makpọrọ akpọ. Nwa mbụ n'afọ na-enwe aṅụrị. Osisi kpọrọ nkụ na-eme mgbaji. Kaiga na nke bishop na 5 akola. Iyo koko. Iyo. I don't understand. Why are you laughing? Akudo Akintola Akuwumi. Omo. Akinsolanke Akudo. Na we dey here now. Na you. How do we put the bridge here you dey? So that day. Others go dey dance. Pami with the bunch. Yeah, Monte. And between like this, you will be dancing. The way where you go fail. They can't fail where you go fail. Make I spell them. I don't understand. You what do you mean? Will fail. This is what I don't like about you. You're always negative all the time. Are you wishing us bad luck? No, I'm wishing you good luck. Now make I say, once you shout victory is ours, I go tell you say if it be our own. The way you're acting, you might not even join us in this dancing competition. I will remove you from this group. Oh. I go join Ama. We don't even accept you. See, make I tell you. The best thing that will happen to us is to learn a more modern dance step. Which is? See, you get the one where I hear where they sing, who's your guy? You go come they do like a spiral. Now only me while lie. If you don't want to learn that one, it go hard you. You feel learn, you get another one. We call them Tinubu dance. Tinubu dance? Why? Tinubu, our president in dance. You get dance? Should I get? That man get dance. That dance, you go first do in yash like this. You can't keep your hand like this. Bawam, you call it Tinubu dance. You go the dance. Tinubu dance. You go the dance. Then you go Tinubu dance. You go the dance. Tinubu dance. You go the dance. Tinubu dance. You go the dance. This is good though. You go the dance. Tinubu dance. You go the dance. Tinubu dance. Our president did dance. That man. This one is good though. Nah. He would dance Tinubu dance and everywhere go boss. Hey! They never see him before. Victory is ours! If it be our own, if we dance him. Njideka, if you continue like this, you will not join us in this dancing competition. What is all this now? If we dance Tinubu dance, we feel win. Me, I dey like believe in we feel. Not be say we don't win, we no go win with that iyo koko. So we go learn Tinubu dance. Yeah, no problem now. Let's learn it now. So now, as I don't give you advice. No say your papa na otro one tank kill. Oh yeah. Yes. So yeah, no say they get small love portion when just they drop carelessly. When no they use, you know they use them. Nobody they use them. Hey, just now. No wait. I
don't understand. No, we don't talk. What's up?
Show your girl love.
Show you which love. Hey!
Swallow!
Small.
When make I put inside water, if the boy drink, I will fall in love with me. One, case close. Nobody go know.
Should you enter my father's shrine and give you love potion?
Your father property na your property, no be in shrine. Na
Hey!
your shrine. Akudo nwa dibia. Dibia mpa akudo.
Eh?
What did they there?
If you enter there, if you not turn to foul, no be me talk am. Go now. Step inside there now, you will turn to foul. Very heavy one at that.
Their eyes no they open. They no
go and try now. I'm not saying you should not go now. If you not turn to goat, make I know what to call.
Why did you like this?
Go now. I'm standing here. Go now. You see it. What happened now, your parents? You think my father is in Kume for nothing?
You go find who go teach you.
You think my father is in Kume for nothing? You think he is pocket pork for nothing? Want to enter the shrine?
Baby, now, how about the dance competition? Hope I'll see that again.
You go nowhere.
Why?
Babe, you're not a city girl. Forget about all this village festival and all this bullshit you're always talking about every time.
It's our culture, it's not bullshit. As a matter of fact, I'm not the only one that will be attending. A lot of people will attend far, near, from abroad.
Babe, as your fiancé, I'm telling you that you're not going anywhere. Come on, babe, you're not a city girl. Behave like one. Forget about all this village stuff now.
You don't love me, right?
I love you, but
then
babe...
support me.
No, babe, I'm not supporting you on this one. You're not going anywhere.
Okay, give me your reason.
Babe, I don't, please.
Okay, tell me now. Please now. Baby, now. Okay, why don't you want me to go? You don't even have any tangible reason. You just don't want me to go. Talk now. Babe. I'll go. I don't want it to look like I'm disrespectful. That's why I'm Jarokwa for approval.
Akudo.
Papa.
There is this thing that is bothering me and I want to know. So tell me, how are you preparing for this dancing competition?
Papa, I am preparing very well. You see, this time, I must win.
Exactly. You must win this time. Victory must be yours. Because nobody will emerge if not you.
But Papa, you know that Amara can dance, so remember she won the last competition. What if she comes back and win again?
No. Not when I, Nkume, your father, is alive. No. Now let me tell you, if this your waist cannot shake, I will make it to shake. I will make it to move. Well, I am going to prepare a charm that will make you win the competition.
A charm, Papa?
Yes.
That can make my waist to move?
Why not?
Yeah, the charm will make my waist
This
wine.
is Nkume. With that charm, any person or group that tries to win you, that person will be pinned.
Hey!
And you and your group will win.
Hey! Pokemon Odogunam. Dudu Yaya. Hey! Point and kill.
Anybody that stands on your way, that person want to experience the bad side of Nkume.
Ha!
I will let him or her to know why I am the fearless lion of this town.
Ogenede.
The tiger that looks straight into the lion's eye.
Hey!
And tell the lion that you are not the king of the jungle.
Ogenede.
This is Nkume.
Dudu Yaya.
If you like, you can be one for, you can be one po, you can be one eke, but whoever that stands before my daughter, that person will experience my wrath.
Hey! Namna orange biko.
Get yourself prepared. Set your goods. Eh?
Bagam. By the time I am done moving my waist, move. Hey! What a hand
You pushing here, pushing. You prepare.
You push here. You no.
Hey!
Again.
You don't want me.
Papa, if you want to do it very well so that not just moving.
I will let those groups know why I am the fearless lion of the jungle.
Hey! Hey! Come!
Hey! No! In fact, anybody that tries to win you is trying to forget. Let that time come.
Hey!
Let that time come.
But Papa, if you can prepare a charm now that will make my waist move, can you prepare a charm that will make it bigger?
Let us.
Bigger than Amara and Nonye's waist put together.
They said one after the other.
Hey!
Go and win first and leave every other thing.
Hey! Pocket for. Again, Dudu Yaya. Odogunam, who goes there? Hey! What are they talking about now? I cannot be native doctor.
What? See, there is something that I always tell people. Amagara ogodo, ade kirilanya. Amagara ogodo, you have never. If I be done, amagara ogodo. Check the roof whereby happen. Just stand firm, as I said.
Rapure njinam ogini bifa.
Hey, this girl. Kazi kanka wata libo tono.
Libo gini?
Hapo ba ya lose.
My God. My angel. Babe, why all this coldness?
Please don't even ask me that pretentious question. Yes, you know what the problem is. You don't want to support what makes me happy.
Babe, are you saying staying with me doesn't make you happy?
That's not the point.
What is the point?
You're taking this too far. Yes, if you love me, support me, let me go and participate. It's very simple.
Babe, why are you making this sound like this is the most important thing in your life?
Oh, please don't even give me that. Don't sound like that. I'm not the only one planning to attend this festival. Other young girls in our village will attend. I'm certain those who live in the village have already started preparing. So why won't you allow me to go?
Babe, you know how all these things goes. You know there'll be problem everywhere and you're the leader in your group. You have lots of enemies. Babe, I love you and I want the best for you. And
you don't love me. If you want the best for me, allow me to participate. And not until then, there will be no peace in this house. Small thing game, I'm happy. Just can't get the chele with you. I love you. Excuse me.
Amara. Amara.
It's a lie. Ah! Oh my goodness! Why are you screaming? Babe, guess what?
What? You know I'm not good at guessing.
Alright, I'll tell you. Chief just sent me 3 million naira. Look at the alarms.
Wow! You are serious?
Yes!
That's nice. Wow.
Oh my goodness, I'm so happy.
Show your girl some love now, beg.
Who be
I
this?
be your girl now.
Who you be?
Show me some love.
I beg, go sit down for poto. Which love? Who love help? Listen, babes. First of all, I'm going to take out 1.5 million from the 3 million to do some shopping for my group members. We need a change of costume, some good materials, design. I mean, I want us to look good on that day.
You are serious about this, your dancing competition? No?
You thought I was joking before?
I thought so. You are serious.
In fact, I don't even think the 3 million will be enough because I want to change everything. I want to buy new drums, new equipment, new costumes. I want everything to be perfect. From our costumes, from our dance steps, from our equipment. I don't want to take any chances. Like I said before, I must emerge the winner this time around.
That's not enough reason now. You dash your girl some money, a little money. Dash me now. You know I be your girl.
Punch. I'll give you punch now. You guys sit down.
I be your girl now.
You know, you should support me as my friend. You know, assist me with some money.
Small.
Please let me call
beg.
Chief and thank him.
Mama, what is it? You stop dragging me.
I brought gist now. I don't like it when you're doing like this. I brought gist. What is it again? Can you believe I saw Akudo on my way here? She was rehearsing, busy rehearsing with her so-called group.
So soon?
Okay.
Now, wow. The elders, they have not even announced the date yet. Though.
That's it now. That's why myself I'm surprised.
You're surprised. Is that why you wore your slippers like that?
Gossiper. I was running to come and tell you it's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. Yes.
This thing is somehow. How would they start practicing by this time? Now, wow.
So is that all you have to say for the gist?
No, what do you want me to say? I should go and beat them. I better go your house, Jari.
I don't forget. You're useless.
Gossip. What is Akudo fake? I know she'll be the only one rehearsing now. Because of that stupid father of a native doctor. No, I'm concerned now. Oh.
Babes. Hi, darling. You're welcome.
What's up?
Okay.
What are you doing?
Okay, I'm making a list of the items to buy for the dancing competition.
You and this your dancing competition.
Is that why you're laughing?
Is that not enough reason to laugh? Listen, if I were you, I will invest that money in your boutique business than this. It's not good. You can do more, babes.
You're talking like this because you're not from my village. If you were from my village and you know how important this festival is, you use everything that you have to participate in it. But you won't understand, so keep laughing. Laugh on. Keep
I
laughing.
understand, but I'm still advising you. Use this money for something else that big. Hey.
Amara, where are you coming from?
And how is that your business?
Where are you coming from?
I said, how is that your business? Please, I don't have time for your constant nagging. Biko.
I'm nagging.
Yes, like a pregnant wife. Excuse me.
Amara! I'm talking to you and you're walking away from me.
Why won't I walk away from you? You simply do not want peace. Steve, listen and listen attentively. You know me very well. You know me. If I bring my problem on, you won't be able to handle it. Let us have peace.
Oh, I see. So you want to fight me? Huh? You want to fight me?
You should be the one listening to yourself. You claim to love me, right? But you can't support me to go for my dreams. Why won't you support me?
I'm saving your life!
Really? Jesus Christ of Nazareth, you're saving my life. You are joking, my love. The last time I went for the competition, did I die? Did anything happen to me? The answer is no. I came back safe, sound. Did you save my life? No! You didn't save my life. So what changed?
I see.
I went there, I conquered, I came back safely. Were you there to protect me?
And you think because you won, everyone was happy, right?
And who gives a hoot if people are not happy? So I shouldn't win because people are sad that I'm winning? Are you serious? Does that make sense to you? Because people are not happy that I won the last time, I shouldn't go and win again. That sounds like a joke, my boyfriend. Please don't do this with me. I beg you. I respect you. I love you, but you're really beginning to push me to the wall. Let's have peace. Let's not argue about this. I have made up my mind. It is my life. It is what I want to do. It is what makes me happy and I will do it. I can't continue with this banter and argument.
Amara!
Steve, let me be! Let me be! Let me be! I asked you for that. It is not too much to ask. Let me be!
Thank you for joining our group.
I'm happy. At least we learned new dancing steps and songs.
Yes, so, Amara Noye, before they will come back, we have gone fine practicing.
Yes, so I can't wait. That day will be very hot.
We'll win this dance.
Yes. We must win.
See, we're rushing into this rehearsal.
So
others have not started. Is it good?
So?
Try it so.
What do you mean, is it good?
Ha.
What is not good? Don't you think it's good for us to start on time so we can learn all the dances and the songs and be perfect?
Akudo, see, if there is one thing I know, it is the fact that if you are rushing speed, open on a speed, trailer will jam you.
All your life that you have not been running speed, what have you achieved?
No, that is small snare we climb the Ogun. So let's take it because it's against the rules.
You teach nonsense rules. You want to climb look at you, you're already climbing before you know it now you climb into menopause. And you're here talking nonsense against you.
We're insult to Dosa by the side.
Which insult?
As I'm talking to you now, I did not add insult. We're insult by the side. Take it outside.
Which insult? I'm telling you the truth. We should learn the dancing competition on time before these old people come back. And you're here saying you want to climb Look at you, you're heading to menopause. Instead of you to rush and see what you can do with your life, you're saying why.
Okay, let me ask you a very important question.
Ask me.
Number one, your father is a native doctor. And according to him, that is your father. He has power. Instead of us rushing to do rehearsal just to prove a point, why can't your father do Wajayog? So that if we're dancing, thunder will be coming out of our body. That way they will just declare us winner. Bam.
Hey! You don't get body mogum. You're hoping on my father.
How?
Do you think my father's charm have even reached to that level of invoking thunder? Do you know what it means to invoke thunder? You think my father has the jazz to invoke thunder for your body to even dance very well? Are you okay? My friend, let's go and learn this dance you're talking about, my father's jazz. Something that is used in Mborogu to cure sickness and atuere. The only thing my father knows how to do is atuere. If you don't know.
And then let him give it to us.
What will you do with it?
So I can use it on you. Are you not the one that said I'm approaching menopause?
You're very stupid.
In
fact, I see you don't have sense.
Okay. Akudo, so this road leads to Obina's house. Your boyfriend's house.
Yes.
Okay. Let me follow this road so that I'll go and ask him, am I approaching menopause or not? Alright?
Come back here. So for all the people in this village, is my boyfriend that you want to ask if you're approaching menopause?
Are you not the one that said I'm approaching menopause?
Because you're my friend, that's why I'm allowing you. If not, I would have shown you Shego. You know who I am, oh. If not, I would have shown you Shego. What are you doing?
Akudo, are you seeing laps? Are you seeing laps? So if I go like this now and I'll cross my leg and ask him, Obina, is this laps approaching menopause? Now.
Come back here. You're trying me, oh.
Why would I not try you?
I will not try you. I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing. I'm warning you. You're trying me, oh. You're my friend. If not, I'm going to go.
Thank God you just said that your father's chance is not going anywhere.
For your leg now. This is your leg now that you want to go and show me.
I want to go and remove the menopause in Obina's house, and that is where I'm going to.
Yeah.
Let me follow like this.
Yeah, respect yourself. Come back here, let's go to where we're going. Follow where? Let's go, let me see how I can help your life. You want to go back to your menopausal home? Go like this. Let's go and learn how to that. Don't stay covering yourself. We are trying to help you, you're covering yourself. Go like this. Let's see if you can see somebody that will help your life.
My son,
Are you awake?
Yes, Papa. I'm feeling healthy now.
Yeah. Nkume, thank you very much. Thank you. You are welcome. You are. Before Nkume has healed you. You have been sick.
The great Ikuku. The great Ikuku. The great Ikuku. Okambakebo. Ah. Ikuku. Ikuku. Ikuku.
What is it? How are you screaming from outside? What is it?
I had a dream.
A dream? What is it all about?
Amara stabbed me to death in the dream.
The same Amara from your village?
Yes.
Are you both having issues?
Not at all.
See, babes, you have to be careful about this dancing competition because that Amara might be deadly. But it's okay. Nothing as such will happen, okay? It's okay, calm down. Calm down. Nothing will happen, okay? Calm down.
Nkume, I greet you. Please, accept this little gift as just little way of saying thank you for saving the life of my son. Please, it's little, but it's from my heart.
No. Don't worry. You have paid for the treatment now.
Yes, I know.
Then why all this?
You see, I took him to many native doctors, but it's only you that was able to heal him. You are great. Please, just accept the gift as a sign of appreciation. Please. It is from my heart.
Thank you for appreciating me. But you see, I treated your son, but the great Ikuku healed him.
It's true.
So, you can go with your items. I don't need it.
But you see, the great Ikuku did it through you. So accept the gift. It shows really that I really appreciated what you did for me, and that is from my heart. Please, I'm pleading very well. Please,
don't worry.
Please,
I will want you to go with your items. If I need it, I would have collected it from you.
But it's nothing. It's nothing.
I know.
It's from my heart. It's good to thank, to show appreciation for what somebody good that somebody did for somebody. Please.
You have paid me for the treatment. No need of saying all these things. Please. I don't need them. Please, if you have a way to shut this fowl up, please, close its mouth.
You see? Your cooker itself is pleading with me.
No.
Pleading that you take.
How can Okuko plead? Okay, Okuko join you.
Don't you hear it? You see?
That means you cannot speak. Okuko is
I'm
now
speaking, but you are rejecting my gift, and Okuko is pleading as well.
What is that?
When did you become a good man? Onyoma, see why? Somebody brought how many tubers of yam and a fowl for you and you rejected it.
Are you trying to insult me or what? So I am not a nice man before. When you know that your father here He's always been a nice man.
You wonder.
Okay, let me ask you. What am I going to do with those items? Besides, that man, if you wash him very well, he needs that food more than as we do.
Says who?
Huh?
Says who?
Okay, by me.
When last did you even eat chicken here? When last?
Chicken. Besides, I treated his son and he paid me for the treatment, worth of 10,000 naira. So I don't know why you are bothering yourself.
Why would I bother myself? And why are you crying more than the bereaved? Is he complaining? He's showing you appreciation. The best you can do is to accept the appreciation. And you're here telling me what I don't know.
No, Akudo, listen. Anybody whose house is on fire never chase rat. I don't want you. Just take yourself out of all this nonsense talk. You should be thinking how to win this competition. Get yourself prepared. Because I wouldn't like you to fail that or to lose that competition. What do you call it?
You go there for where we win competition.
You're
talking about yam and chicken, and you're talking about house on fire and chasing rats and chasing goats.
So,
Nonye.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. I can't believe you are still thinking about this dream. Why are you so bothered about this dream?
Just a dream? Come on. Dreams are reflections of our reality.
You don't have any issues with Amara. So why are you bothered?
I think Amara is up to something. She's up to something this forthcoming festival. And it concerns me. Well, I don't care. Whatever she's up to, one thing is certain. I and my group members must emerge the winner, even if it means selling everything I have.
For real?
Yes. For
everything? This is so ridiculous. Why are you like this? Just forget about this competition. I'm telling you, forget about this competition.
My baby, once a winner, always a winner. I won the competition last year and I am definitely winning the competition this year. That's on period. And if you don't want me to attend the festival, you need to get yourself another girlfriend.
Really? You are willing to destroy what you built over the years because of a dance competition?
Why don't you want to support me? Because of a dance competition. Just allow me to participate in this just dance competition.
Babe, I will be all alone in this house. No one is here. Just imagine, when you leave, what would I be doing?
I get the point now. I get the point now. You will miss your love. Don't worry. We can come with me to the village.
Really? I should come with you to the village. When your mother is there, the villagers, what will people think? Babe, are you even hearing yourself?
Like I said earlier, I must participate in this dance competition. If you're not in support of that, you can get yourself another girlfriend.
I should get myself another girlfriend?
Yes.
Okay.
Relationship mama be lead to altar. don't want me to pursue my dreams. You don't want me to do what makes me happy. Please let me Google latest dance costume so that I can start making my clothes already.
I've tried to convince Samara several not to go for that dancing competition. That is a bad idea, but she wouldn't listen.
Steve, if I must be frank with you, I would suggest you just let her go for that competition. You know, she might win this competition, just let her go.
I know, but I don't want her to go and stay there for so long. I'm going to miss her, and I'm not ready for that.
Steve, she's not going to stay in the village forever. And remember, your relationship is at stake here. Just let her go, okay? Just forget it. Let her go. She might win this thing.
I'll think about that.
You should.
Dimma, my friend.
Hey, Nello.
Dimma, you see this our dancing competition? I'm scared though.
Yeah, I'm going to scared for. Don't be scared though. We are going to win this dancing competition. You know. We're going to win.
I pray.
Me, Dimma. Nah, Baba.
That reminds me. Do you know that girl, Amara? Amara think she's the best in everything. Yes, she seriously thinks she's the best in everything. Dimma, could you believe that Amara be boasting around this village that she's going to win this dancing competition?
Nello. Nello. I don't even know why you are worried about Amara. Why are you guys so worried about that small girl? Me, I'm not worried though. Yeah, Amara. Ofenkuku. I can dance past Amara. I can dance more than her. What we're supposed to be saying is, we are going to win this dancing competition so that we'll be able to cut off that ego down.
Nijia. Nemwijia.
Now, what's going on?
It's true. We need to cut that ego down.
No.
We need to cut it down. And, Dimma, we seriously need to talk to Nanya. We seriously need to talk to her. Oh, Yan. So she can hasten up with whatever thing that she's doing.
You're right. You're right.
So we can start practicing at once.
Practice. Let's go and start.
See, we can't afford to lose this dancing competition again. We are not losing. This is what you people are planning. I'm going to Zaram's house.
Zaram, there's trouble. Oh. There's trouble. It's like the battle line has been drawn in this competition.
How do you mean?
When I was coming back from the farm, I overheard Dimma and Nello discussing on how Amara will lose this competition.
Jesus Christ.
Okay.
When was that?
This afternoon, when I was coming back from the farm.
Hey! Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I don't know.
Wait, we'll have to put into action immediately. I need to call Amara.
Call her, bring your phone now.
Wait,
bring your phone. If she loses, what will happen? Amara can't lose this competition because please so Amara lose kwa.
So heavy. What is inside this bag? The items I bought for the dance competition.
Oh, is that serious? Don't tell me you use all the money to buy all these materials for your dancing competition.
It's not even enough. Listen, I need to be fully prepared because, like you know, I'm going to be the winner.
Oh, really? In that case, I support you fully on this dancing competition. And I'll give you tips on how to win that Amaran. Our colleagues.
Oh, aren't you a sweetheart? Come here. Thank you so much, my friend.
Welcome,
Thank you.
my love, always. So let's take it inside.
All right, let me show you the things I bought.
Hello.
Hello, Amara.
Zara, how are you?
I'm fine. But the boss is about to happen.
What is it?
Yes, leg and them has already started plotting how to take down any upcoming dancing competition. They are so serious about it.
That's why you're bothered. They reach you now for now. What do they know? The man Nelu. They are not experienced now. You don't have to worry yourself about those girls, please. Remember, the group won't function in my absence.
Okay, I just want to let you know we should start as soon as possible.
Don't worry. We are starting very soon. I'll be back soon. Okay? Just get prepared. Inugu? Alright, you too. Bye. Bye. So they've already started planning. Oh God,
Yekuku festival for our village, yo. If you perform well, you go win the prize, yo. Yekuku festival for our village, yo. Yes, you man, blood will come back. Yekuku festival for our village, yo. Yes, you man, blood will dance, yo. Ona di kwanu was Yekuku start, yo. Ona di kwanu will take the laugh again. Ona di kwanu was Yekuku start, yo. Ona di kwanu will take the laugh again. Yekuku festival for our village, yo. Yes, you man, blood will come back. Yekuku festival for our village, yo. Yes, you man, blood will dance, yo. Ona di kwanu was Yekuku start, yo. Ona di kwanu will take the laugh again. Ona di kwanu was Yekuku start, yo. Ona di kwanu will take the laugh again. Onya papa nanki be ya maramancha. Show me your skills, I go bring out my own. If you wind your waist, I go wind my own. Oh. If you finish your own, I go do my own. Oh. Dance your own, make I dance my own. No problem, this is all about happiness. Opia obodo, go bono nimma. No fighting, not all at all. No quarreling, not all at all. Opo obele gu asika fo. Obele gu asika fo.
Nonye, you can dance like this.
You don't know how important this competition is for me. Hey, the winner will be recognized and respected in the kingdom. And she will get the chance to get married to one of the prestigious men in the land. Are you joking? Are you joking?
This is serious, so please let me join you and see whether I.
You want to join me?
Yeah, let me join you. Let me see whether I will let
Okay.
Yekuku festival for our village, yo. If you perform well, you go win the prize, yo. Yekuku festival for our village, yo. Yes, you man, blood will come back. Yekuku festival for our village, yo. Yes, you man, blood will dance, yo. Ona di kwanu was Yekuku start, yo. Ona di kwanu will take the laugh again. Ona di kwanu was Yekuku start, yo. Ona di kwanu will take the laugh again. Yekuku festival for our village, yo.
But Akude, you have at least worn his slippers now. Who walks around barefooted?
Abeg, leave me alone. I feel very comfortable walking like this. When they born you, did they born you with slippers?
Okay, did they give birth to you with clothes? Why are you not naked?
In fact, if left to me, I will not be wearing clothes.
Okay. Akude, something is bothering me.
What is that?
If I'm going, everybody will be talking. If I'm walking to the farm to fetch water to do this one or to escort my father to the farm, people will now be saying, auntie there cow. Wait, of all the girls in this village, everybody, all the rich, the poor, the huge, the tiny girls in this village, you do not see anybody to be friends with. It is Akudo. What are you benefiting from being Akudo's friend? And the thing has been turning my head. My head is turning on its own. It turn on its own. It turn on its own. I dey ask myself, bring me digest.
I don't understand. They're asking you what you're benefiting from being my friend. No, I don't understand. What do you mean by you do not see anybody to be friends? I don't understand.
You educate yourself.
Don't you know it's even a benefit for you to be my friend?
70.
It's an advantage to have me as your friend. Do you think it's everybody that are allowed to be my friend? You know how many people that want to be my friend, but I said no. I decided to choose you.
Who is deceiving you? You are the one benefiting from me because you're only me from this village. Why don't think and say no? Let me chest it with my full chest. I chest them, become your friend, nobody else. Nobody will be your friend though. They fear you.
Since you have started listening to gossip, I can start going.
I'm not listening to gossip. You don't understand it. They have been the one gossiping it and decided to now ask me direct source. You don't understand. But come to think of it, what am I even benefiting from being your friend? Nothing.
What do you mean?
There is no benefit.
So the reason you're my friend is because of benefit.
Before uncle, why are you your father's daughter? It's not because of benefit.
So you're not even my friend from your heart, like through my friend. You're just here because you want to benefit something.
I did like so I know you. You get as I take day. See, make I tell you when you wicked. If not because of me, you no go learn Tinubu dance. At least you don't benefit that one. If not because of me, you no go see person where you and I'm the gist. You don't benefit too. Waiting me, I don't benefit from you. The only little love one manage, hustle, secure. Love where people they find. I hustle you, one secure that one. Then I come beg you. I say, I beg. I no force you. I just say, I beg. If he steal your I beg. If you collect your papa love portion, one no say your papa na native doctor love portion free here for ya. Just collect small, give me. Make I drop come for this boy, make he fall in love with you, so I go dey knock him head for ground. You say no. Now I don't lose her. I don't lose Chibuzo. Chibuzo they marry Obi. Their marriage and the white wedding are the same day on Sunday, and I go there go eat rice. You call yourself. Wetin are the benefits? Singlehood. Thank you.
You know what? I get very sorry.
Don't beg me.
No, wait. Now, calm down. I'm sorry that I did not do it. It was a mistake.
No, they pay me sorry. They pay me.
I know what I'm saying. You're one friend that I'm still managing. So I'm sorry that I did not give you. So we can continue to manage this friendship.
Okay.
But don't worry, it's not too late. Oh, there are so many Chibuzos in this village. One of them can give you. I said there are so many Chibuzos. You can go ahead and take the love portion. Huh? Go and take it. I'm sorry I did not give you before. It was a mistake on my part.
Make I go do it.
Go and take the love portion instead.
From where?
From here, from the shrine.
Your papa shrine?
Yes, as a matter of fact, my father has believed that thing I used to come people to power. So we can start your prayer.
You help me. Go bring my phone.
It's supposed to be direct contact. That's how charm works. You want me to take it and remove the portion from it?
You no go come out. So now your papa picking. You just go for the time.
You don't understand.
Do you not know that the kingdom of God suffers violence and the children of God take it by force? Go and take your portion by force.
They're intelligent, forget. Something just come up. The kingdom of God suffereth violence, and the children of God take it by force. Go and take your portion. Thank you. I know be your papa children. No be your papa born me. Now you, your papa born. As he no get other children, only you na children. Now me be the violence where the kingdom of God dey suffer. So since the children of God take it by force, go and take it and give this violence so that I fit get peace of mind. You say? You say what?
You don't want the love potion again. Nkume.
What is your problem?
I want to know now what is going on. What is delaying you from preparing the charm you promised me? Why would you prepare it before these people comes back?
Akudo, allow me have my rest, please. How many times have I told you this? Huh? If they must come back as you claim, at least before they come back, I will have the sign. The signal will come to me. Then to prepare the sham won't take me time.
Papa, I'm not doubting you. I'm not doubting your power, ancient of days. I'm not doubting it all. I'm not doubting that you have the power to have signs and signals and past and present. That is not in question. The thing is that we need to be prepared, so they do not come back and take us by surprise.
What is your problem? I have become your mate. Are we the same thing in the spiritual realm? We are not the same thing in the spiritual realm. You are only my daughter. Simple. Just allow me have my peace. Pico, I have told you to cool yourself down. Sit at a place. This competition, you must win. You must win the competition. Why are you giving me all this stress? Just go and have your rest. Go and continue with what you are doing. Go inside and continue with what you are doing. Didn't you hear me? That I am your father.
Hi! Can you imagine? How? No, but how? How are we not the same in the spiritual realm? How? No, because that is the most annoying part here. That we are not the same in the spiritual realm. Can you imagine? Do you even know who you are in the spiritual? Do you even know who I am in the spiritual realm? How are you sure I'm not your senior in the spiritual realm? You're telling me we are not the same in the spiritual realm. If we even go to that spiritual realm, say, I might be the queen of the coast and you will just be an ordinary servant of the underwater. And you're here saying we are not the same in the spiritual. Am I not your daughter? Did they not say that the father of the blood of the father runs through the daughter? You're saying we are not the same in the spiritual realm. Maybe that's why they're not even answering you. You're here calling them up and down. They're not listening to you. You're telling me you take time, you see signal, you see sign. I'm just believing you. Do I even know if this thing you're saying is true? Who knows? If I even call them myself, they might even answer me. Where are they? Are they up or down? They're not the same in the spiritual realm.
Some people are so gullible.
But baby, did you know that girl from anywhere?
I don't know her from anywhere. I don't know what her problem is.
Then why was she sounding so hateful, like someone that knew you before?
That's none of our business, baby. The people are going around with so much hatred and sadness in them, so we shouldn't entertain that.
Mama, your species, you guys might get wahala.
Please, let's go to the room. Okay. I need to go and change.
Honestly, if I find out where he lives, believe me, I will do anything within my power to snatch him from her.
That guy looks rude.
Do I care? You think I want to date him? Hell no. I just want to use him as payback.
What if you fall in love with him?
Are you joking? Me? Fall in love with him? For what? As what? Excuse me? I don't catch feelings, baby girl. I catch flies. So, it's not possible.
I pray you won't catch feelings. Okay. Oh. Anyway, if you see the way I spoke to him, that was so rude. I gave it to him.
Listen, I don't catch feelings. I catch flies.
Oh, really? I believe you.
Hey, please stop. Stop. Don't touch me. I want to sleep, please. Don't touch me.
Baby, why are you pushing my hand away now? Baby.
Stop now. What is all this now? You don't want to support me, right? You've decided not to give me emotional support. Please, allow me. Oh, allow me. I'm fasting, I'm praying. I don't want you to touch me till I'm done with my dance competition, since you don't want to support me.
Babe, are you being serious right now? Because of that stupid dance competition? I thought we talked about this.
Exactly. We talked about it and we shouldn't be talking about it. I deserve to sleep, please.
Babe, are you being serious right now? Eh? My love. Oh yeah, please now, I'm sorry.
Then don't touch me. That's the demarcation. Don't cross the demarcation. Don't cross it. Don't cross it. Or do you want to rape me?
Nonye!
Yes, babe, what is it?
Babe, come and see. Come and see, oh.
What's the matter?
Amara just posted the dancing competition festival on IG and she is inviting all her friends to this competition. I'm telling you. Can you see that?
This girl is crazy.
I just saw it and I decided to show you. I'm telling you, she just posted it.
Hey, I know why she's doing this. Yes. She's doing this because she won last year's competition. And she thinks she's going to win this. You know what? I'm going to shock her.
I know.
She thinks she will win again.
She cannot. She cannot. I don't know why she's posting. On IG?
Hey, babe.
Oh my God.
I go shock her.
I know. Please do. Please do.
She thinks I'll just fold my arms and allow her win again this year.
It's not possible.
Is she mad?
It's not possible.
Is she crazy? Oh, it's not going to happen. Let me see that.
You. Jealousy.
Just post.
You want her to go down for you to shine. You want her to go down for you to shine.
My love. My honey pie. My sweet. How are you doing? Baby, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Baby, I saw the post you posted on IG and Facebook. It's like you're not going to give up on this, your dancing.
Yes, I'm not giving up on the competition. I'll compete. I'm participating.
Okay. Anyways, you have my support.
You're kidding, right?
No, I'm very serious. In fact, I got you something to make you very happy.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you can as well go with one of my cars.
This is not happening. You're blowing up my head. Are you serious?
Yeah, baby.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much. Are you kidding me? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Don't worry. I'll make you proud.
Of course.
I'll go there. I will win for us. And I'll make sure I come back safely. Don't worry, I'll take care of myself.
I trust you, baby.
I love you.
I love you more.
Thank you.
My fellow elders, I greet you all.
Thank you.
Chairman, well
Thank
done.
you, Chairman.
Good. As we all know, the Egungun Dancing Competition Festival is fast approaching. And we need to fix a date in time so that some of our people will prepare themselves well before coming back for the occasion. So now, which date do you all think will be okay for the ceremony? Which date?
My chairman, you have spoken very well.
Thank you.
To me, I think it will be very, very okay to organize that competition on Orie Day. And that date must be first week of September. Let's say maybe 10th of September. That will be okay, my chairman.
Chairman, I support Kwabata. That Orie Day is a perfect date. You know, we don't participate in any activities on Eke Day.
Okay. Also, is the date okay for you? Or do you have any suggestion?
Since Akwabata suggested the date of coming Egungun Festival and it fell on Orie Day, I believe that we all will honor the invitation.
So we have all agreed.
Yes, yes.
Let us keep the date and then tell the town crier to announce it to everybody in the village so that everybody will be aware.
Yes.
It will be a great day. My elders.
Thank you.
Chairman, I greet you.
Thank you, Chairman.
Yes.
I already know the reason for the meeting. So I did my homework by checking the calendar to find out a suitable date in case others don't have any date in mind.
But if I may ask, this is a very good idea. I hope your daughter will return for this season's festival.
She has been disturbing me about this date. So if I get home now, I will inform her about it. She will be very happy. She will be very happy.
Festival for our village. Yes, you man, the dance. Ona di panu was a start. Ona di panu to the laugh again. Ona di panu was a start. Ona di panu to the laugh again.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Nobody's chasing you.
No. Yeah.
I thought somebody is chasing you with cutlass. I decided to save my life first.
You. See, I mean,
why are you running like that?
Good news, Una.
Good news. What is it?
Yeah. I was in the house, so I was not hearing. Who is beating this kind of thing? So as I'm hearing the then I said, Orobodo, the Igwe and cabinet has. Guess what?
Guess again.
Guess na?
Guess again. That my father is a native doctor. Does that make me a seer?
No.
Please, I don't know how to guess anything. Tell me what the problem is.
They have fixed the date for the dancing competition.
Hey! Ebo!
Your hand is painful. Don't beat me.
Ah! That is good news.
Yes, so.
Chai.
But the bad news is there. Hi. I'm going to the city.
Yeah.
You know my mother's sister? That one that I told you that she's 51 years old.
Yes.
She don't finally born twice.
Hi.
Pikin had them well. She can't born them now. They can't say, Mommy go there, go to Omo.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
Hi, Chai. It's so sad. You miss our victory dance. It's bad news for you now and good news for us because you know you're always full of negativity. So carry your negativity to the city so we can win the dance proper.
Oh yeah, now since I go carry and go town, you go try give me that thing.
Give you what? What is akwụkwọ na-eme otimu? What is that?
Give me the love portion.
Which love portion?
The one I told you now.
Which love portion?
As I'm going to the city so that if I meet man, I go use it. You know, say he hard. To get man for town hard.
Who even told you there is love portion in this house?
Your papa na native doctor, you get am for gallon. After all, wetin your papa dey cure? The only way your papa dey cure na cupboard. Papa dey get himself. Give me the love portion.
I don't have any love portion to give you. Leave me alone. Let me think about how to win my dance.
I hear say your papa dey find wife. You don't see?
As per...
I dey available.
Begin the go. You want to come and become my stepmother or what? Begin, start going because if I enter inside and come back, it's not love portion that you will see. What you will see now, you will not like it.
Babes, they finally fixed the date for the dance competition.
Wow.
Yes, so I'll be going to the village in 2 weeks' time.
Wow, that's nice. That's good news. I'm sure you're super excited.
Yeah, very excited. I can't wait.
Well, you have my support this time. It's
Thank
just
you.
that I'll be missing my baby.
I'll miss you, Mom.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Baby, make sure you don't give your number to any guy.
I sense jealousy.
Yes, of course. I don't want to lose my baby to another guy.
Hold on. This is why you refused earlier, right? You didn't want me to perform because you thought another guy is gonna snatch me from you.
Let me just say one of the reasons.
That's the reason. Jealousy will kill you. But my love,
Yeah, baby.
you sincerely do not have anything to worry yourself about. I participated the last time and I came back. Did I follow any man?
No, you did.
Did I cheat on you?
No, you did.
You know I'm not a cheater.
I know, baby. Thank you, my love.
I'll miss you. Let's get started.
Oh!
I know you are so excited about this news.
Excitement is an understatement, my darling.
Really?
I am overjoyed. I am elated.
Oh, wow.
You see this season?
Yeah.
I am going to beat Amara. Hands down.
I know she will not beat you this time around. If she does, that means she bribed the judges.
She won't even dare.
At all.
Listen,
Yeah.
we are fully prepared. I and my group members.
Okay.
One of them called me the other day to tell me that they rehearse twice every week and they're learning new song and new dance steps. Hey, you see? You see?
Ah,
we are winning this season. We are winning.
I
There's no
know
choice
you
about
must
it.
win.
Hey,
I trust you.
Okay.
You must win.
Rehearsal. Let me.
Okay, on the music.
Let
Let me
festival of our village. If you perform well, you go win the prize. Yakubu festival of our village. Yes, your man double they come back. Yakubu festival of our village. Yes, your man double they dance. Under the banner was a good start. Under the banner, they never laugh again.
I missed you so
I miss you, Mama, my daughter. Hey!
How have you been? How are you?
I'm fine. Look at me.
I know you miss
Hey! I miss you, my daughter.
Mama, I bought so many goodies for you. They are all in the boot. So
let
me open the gate.
Hey!
Drive in. Don't remember memos.
Oh, my world dancer. Hey! My only and wonderful. Hey!
I love you, Mama.
I love you, Mama.
I missed you.
Mama.
Mama, I am back.
Hey!
They will know that your daughter is back.
Yes!
Mama, name your daughter.
Hey!
Mwagibo transaction successful. Mwagibo sensuka. Pepe them. Bolale pepe them. Pepe them. Mama, let me open the gate for you. Let me open the gate.
I miss you, Mama.
If you perform well, you go win the prize. Yakubu festival. Yes, your man double they come back. Yakubu festival.
Look at what he's driving.
Yes, your man double they dance. Under the banner was a good start. Under the banner, they never laugh again.
All right, welcome to my village.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Welcome to my village.
Thank you so much. Your village is so fine.
Yes, talking about being fine, my village has really changed though. Like, I've not been to the village for almost 1 year now.
Serious?
Everywhere has changed.
Serious?
Yes.
Wow. That means people will not call your village bush.
I'll punch your mouth. I'll punch your mouth now. Don't even try it. My village is a city, yeah?
Okay. City.
My village is a better city.
Okay, no problem.
I know the day we go to your own village, we won't even see any third road or any graded road like this.
No. Are you kidding me? No. My village. Very, very sweet place to be.
Excuse me.
Sweet and lovely.
No fighting, not all.
Hey, see this girl that is coming.
Okay.
She's one of the group leaders.
Okay. Does she reside in this village?
Yes.
Oh.
She's a daughter of a native doctor.
Really? That means you have to avoid her.
Avoid who?
Avoid her.
How can I avoid her?
Please do. Avoid her in this competition.